Bismillah, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zimam Akid bin Muhammad Anifah, the CEO of Aaa Nz Corporation. As you guys know, our company is a forward-looking company for the production of methane. The purpose of this video is to let you guys know about our site selection for our plant. Okay, first thing first, this is our lead management position. Me, myself, the CEO, Muhammad Zimam Akib bin Muhammad Anifah. We have General Manager, Muhammad Azizi bin Hakimi, Process Engineer, Akif bin Muhammad Nazril, and we have two project engineers, Nur Amira binti Amnuddin and Nur Syahirah Najibah binti Muhammad Azam. For not wasting time, we move to our General Manager, Muhammad Azizi bin Hakimi, to brief some introduction about our site selection.
So Assalamualaikum. So for the site selection introductions, our chemical plant want to produce a methane, which is a odorless and a colorless gas, and it is primarily used to make a heat and light as a fuel. It is used to produce organic chemical as well. So in order for our chemical plant to search for the right site to develop, the selected must be environmental friendly as well as easier to reach as a business plan. So we're looking for these criteria. So first is a raw material. For our plant design, we want to produce a methane, so we need a suitable raw material, which is the mixture of carbon monoxide and also hydrogen. For the site selection, we need to figure out the site that easy to get raw material continuously without having any problem, because raw material is important as a factor to produce the product we want. For the second criteria, we looking for the market, because in order to promote the exchange of goods and service, a market a place where two parties can meet, which is the buyers and the sellers. So the market can be physical, like a retail store, which is people meet face to face, or a virtual, like online market. Our chemical plant, we have to make sure that our products can be easily to reach out by the buyers, because mostly customer wants to buy from the nearest and easiest seller, so that they can cut the cost needed for transportation and time needed to product deliver. For the third one is a site characteristic. The specific of the land should suitable that plan that we want to build. The land should be examined first before it was chosen to be used as a site for chemical plant. Most importantly, the cost of the land must be reasonable, because it gives an impact to the startup of the plant. If the price is too expensive, it will cut the cost in making the plant. So we need to another plan to get income better. So if the price is cheaper, so that it will give benefits to the company and they can expand their business. So the size of the land also important, because if company doing well, we could expand the plant in the future without needs to find another site. Therefore, we will look for a strategic site location for our chemical plant to manufacture the methane. And the last one is transportation. For transportation, the plant need to find a place that located at strategic one, which is near the main road, sea, or an airport, to transport the product for the customer. As the transportation is important for the company to deliver our product, or to have some raw material to run the business. So we still need a suitable transport to deliver our product. So it is possible to the chemical plant to select a good location that connected to any types of transportation that going to be used, that suitable for the product, so that it will be easier to transport our products to the customers. So that's all for the introduction. We're going to the next presenter. Thank you.
Thank you Azizi for the introduction. Now we move to our plant location. After a few surveillance and researches, we had agreed to build our plant at Pahang. And this is the map for our plant location. The exact location is at Baluk Pahang, nearest to Gebeng, and our plant address is Fasa 3, Kawasan Perindustrian Gebeng, Kuantan, Pahang. And I also insert the GPS coordinate, and this is the satellite image. The red point shown in the picture is the mainland for our plant, and it is nearest to RE Gebeng, Linas Advanced Material Plant, and Camel Power. And lastly, this is the picture for 5 years onward on the location, that is 2013 until 2018. I think that's all from me. Now we move to our project engineers in charge to justify why we choose this location instead.
Okay, so now I proceed to factors and justification. So for the first factor is raw materials availability. Methane has such low density in the gas state, and this product will never be produced without raw material. So that's mean the raw materials availability are the one of the important factors. So in order to reduce the transportation and storage charge, the location of the plant must be close to the raw material source, and the raw material supply will be delivered by truck, and must be pure and low cost. So the next factor is market availability. For the market availability, the location of the plant must be near to the market demand in order to reduce the cost distribution and time required for shipping. And our company want to produce methane, so that our company's side product is water. So the side product, which is water, must also have considered for the market due to the importance of this chemical in chemical industries. So this is table 1 that shows the criteria of the site selection, and our company choose Balok Pahang as our petrochemical zone. The facilities and infrastructure for this but at Balok Pahang, the first one is Air Products Malaysia Sdn Bhd, then Environment Technology Park, next Kuantan Port Industry Area, and lastly is East Coast Highway. So the products that manufacture at Balok Pahang is, for example, acrylic acid and esters, syngas, polyester copolymers, propylene, and polypropylene. And it also have other examples. So these are our criteria of the site selection. Based on the table 1, it shows that there are no place at Balok that produce methane yet. So this situation will give more advantage and benefits to our company to open up at Balok Pahang without any competition from the other company. And it is for our company, it is only our company that have the ability to supply the methane at Balok Pahang. So the demand for the methane will exactly high due to the highly produce of methane based product. Okay, so we'll move to the next presenter. Thank you.
The third factor of site selection is transportation facilities. In this area, they have a wide range of transportation network that we can use to promote our product. The first one is transportation by roads and highway. We can use the LPT Expressway, which is a highway that connected the east coast of Malaysia with the west coast of Malaysia. The second one is transportation through the air. We can use the Sultan Ahmad Shah Airport, Kuantan, which is located about 37 km away from the land. The next one is transportation through the sea. We can use the Kemaman Port, that located about 47 km away, and the Kuantan Port that located about 15 km away from the land. Both the transportation through the sea and through the air we can use as the alternative to promote our product into the international market. Our supplier, which is Air Products Malaysia Sdn Bhd, have a branches that are located at Kuantan Pahang. They will deliver the raw material by truck and using the further roads that connected Kuantan and Balok with a distance about 22 km. The only additional cost charged during the delivery is cost for fuel. The last factor of site selection is site characteristics. The size of land available for sale is between 3 acre to 250 acre, and the selling price is 23 ringgit per square feet. This land is suitable and sufficient for any future expansion to increase our plant facilities, and the characteristic of land is hilly area. But safety precautions need to be considered even though there is low possibilities for disaster to happen in the future. The advantages of this land is, first, the transportation network. The transportation network is easily accessible in this area, for example, transportation by road and highway. and transportation through the air and through the sea. We can use these services to increase our market. The next one is location of the land. Location of the land is convenient and safe for the production of our product since it is located quite far from the residential areas and schools. And the last one is the huge market potential. There is a huge market potential in this area because of the number of factories in this area. There might be a demand from other company to buy our product for their company. That's all from me. Let's move to our next presenter.
So I will present the layout of our plant that has a total area of 31,500 meters square. The chemical plant has an area of 3,136 meters square, and its position is far from the car park to prevent explosion. Methane, hydrogen and nitrogen storage is also set away from the car park to prevent explosion, since methane gas is extremely flammable based on the MSDS. The control room is set beside the chemical plant so that our engineers can monitor the process in the chemical plant with ease. The packing and shipping area and also the loading station are placed not too far from the chemical area to make it easier for our team to pack and ship the product to our consumers. Next, we have laboratories and amenities room for our chemists to perform researches. We have the administration room, office, canteen and fire station packed together so that our workers have easy access to it and fight fires if burning happens. The security post is placed at the main entrance to guard our plant from any breaches and also to guard the cars at the car park. Lastly, the toilets are available in the administration room, office, laboratory and a small toilet at the security post.